Good morning. I wanted to show you guys how I make my flaxseed gel at home using a few ingredients. So when I retwist my hair, I usually use a cup of flax seeds. This amount usually is enough for one retwist with a little bit left over. Remember, whatever you have left over to store in the refrigerator. After you pour your flax seeds in the water and it starts to boil, you continue to stir. You see the consistency? It's still watery, so that means you need to continue to let it boil some more. The more it boils, the thicker it gets. Check in the consistency again. You can tell that it's getting thicker because it's hanging from the spoon longer. This strainer I have isn't the best when it comes to making the flaxseed gel. The liquid is too thick, which doesn't go through this strainer. I recommend using thigh-high stockings so you can squeeze the remaining gel out. After you have made your gel, you can add the oils of your choice. My go-to oil is castor oil and extra virgin olive oil. But of course, if you like to use any other type of oil, it's your choice. You can use whatever you like. Make sure you mix your oils well in the gel and make sure your top seals it closed. Store in the refrigerator until you get ready to use.